Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so today we are going to study subject ES of class 3. Your chapter number 16 is My House. Okay, so let's start. My name is Naseem. I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday there is lot of activity in our school. It will go on for a week. Week means 7 days. Okay, do you know why there is a camp being held in our school? Children have come from many places for the camp. Tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. See children, this is the map of India and here you can see Jammu and Kashmir. You can see this yellow part. This is the state of Jammu and Kashmir and Srinagar is located here in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay children. So many children have come from many places. Okay, there was a camp in Naseem's school. Okay, so many children came from many places to attend this camp. So children will stay here in this tent. You can see the tents here. Yes, so children will stay in this tent. Okay, see here in the picture tents are there. Okay, so children will stay in this tent. You also go for a picnic of 2 days or 3 days, you stay tents like this. Okay, tents or okay, so like this you can stay here. Now we have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Okay, उन लोगों ने क्लोथ, पीसेस ऑफ क्लोथ के जो टुकड़े होते हैं उनका यूज़ किया था डोर्स बनाने के लिए. सम हैव मेड पोस्टर्स यूजिंग आलमंड शेल्स. आलमंड्स के जो शेल्स होते हैं उनसे उन्होंने पोस्टर्स बनाए. दूसरों ने रंगोली बनाई. ड्राई लीव्स यूज़ किए. एंड दी सो डस्ट मीन्स डस्ट ऑफ wood. Okay children, now see, today is the first day of the camp. We are very happy. In the morning we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. Each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat. Okay, so children brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their homes. Bhupen's group was first to talk. Okay children, so here, okay children, so here there was the first day of the camp. When you go for a picnic you all are very happy, right? So that you play games. When you go in a picnic everything is arranged. You will do this on this time. Okay, your lunch will be on this time. So here also everything is arranged for this children which came from many other places. Okay, some came from Manali, some some came from Assam. In different state many children came to school for the camp. Okay, so here there was a first day of the camp. So all the children were very happy. They all sit in a circle and they introduce themselves. Okay, so you when you go for a picnic you will go in a different classes, right? Class 1, 2, 3, 4. So you may not know each other. So you introduce your name, they introduce their name. Likewise here also children came from other places, so they don't know each other. So they sat in a circle and they introduce themselves. They talk about their family, they talk about their houses, they talk about their state, that what they like to eat there. Okay, their atmosphere, everything that was spoken by them. Understood? वो लोग सब एक दूसरे को सब कुछ बताते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे रहते हैं, यहाँ पे वेदर ऐसा होता है. समझ में आया सबको? सो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले जो है भूपेन एक लड़की का नाम है. उसका ग्रुप जो था वो सबसे पहले बताता है उनके घर के बारे में, उनके स्टेट के बारे में. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Understood? So now we will see what Bhupen tell. Okay, Bhupen introduced himself and said, what care has to be taken by those who are living in the houses made up of bamboo or a wood? I have come from Molan village in Assam. Assam is here. See here red part in the eastern side of India. Here you can see the map. Yes, it rains heavily in our place. So where Bhupens live in Assam there is very heavy rainfall. So their houses are made up of wood. Okay, so it rains heavily there, so their houses are made 10 to 12 feet above the ground. See children, here you can see the houses are made above the ground. You can see our houses are touched to the ground, but their houses, you can see the feet, how much high? Okay, so this is 12 feet high above the ground. Understood? They are made on strong bamboo pillars. You can see here pillars also, bamboo pillars. So where Bhupens live, houses are made up of bamboo or a wood. Understood why? Because there is very heavy rainfall. Inside of our houses are also made up of wood. Okay children, here in Bhupen's house, houses are made up of bamboo or a wood, and inside of houses also it is made up of wood. Okay, furniture and everything is made up of bamboo or a wood. You can see here they use ladder. It is a folding ladder. They use folding ladder to climb up in the house, because house is high na, so we cannot go directly in the house, so they use folding ladder. Why folding ladder? Because at night also they have to be safe from very dangerous animals also, okay, and strangers also, so they use folding ladder. And the roof of their houses are also slopy, so that rain water does not stay there, it fall down. Okay, so their roof also slopy, and here they use ladder, and at night they remove this ladder because it is folded na. I told you that this ladder is folded ladder, so at night they remove this because to be safe from animals and strangers. Okay, so do you understand about the Bhupen's house? It is in Assam. Okay, so in Assam there is heavy rainfall, so houses are made on bamboo pillars 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Okay, clear? Now see, we are going to learn about chameli. Okay, now see children, it was the chameli's turn. She said, I came from Manali. Okay, so you know that Manali, in Manali there is hilly areas. So you can see here Manali here. This is the map of India. You can see Manali is in Himachal Pradesh near Simla. Okay, so here you can see this yellow part, Himachal Pradesh. Here you can see Shimla. Okay, so Manali is near the Shimla. Okay, so which is hilly area. You know that children, Manali is hilly area, so there is snowfall and heavy rainfall also. So Manali is telling at our places it rains heavily and snow as well. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun. Our houses are made up of stone or wood. Here you can see the snowfall. Yes, and this house you can see it is made up of stone and wood. Okay, so children, here you can see that Chameli is telling that in Manali there is very heavy rainfall. You can see in the picture, right? So you know that when there is rainfall and snow, we feel cold. Okay, so when they feel cold, they sit in the sun. Why sit in the sun? हमें जब ठंडी बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है तो हम जब सन में बैठते हैं तो हमें थोड़ी कम लगती है ना. Likewise, so she said that they like to sit in the sun. Why? Because of there is very heavy snowfall, and you can see here the slope of their houses, they are also slopy, so that snow or water does not stay there and come down. Okay, so here you can see their houses are made up of stone or wood. Understood? So did you understood about region, Manali region and Chameli's house? Yes, now we will move further to Mithali and Anuj house. Okay, now it is turn of Mithali and Anuj. Mithali and Anuj have come from राजकोट. दे शोड पिक्चर्स ऑफ राजकोट टू एवरीवन. वो लोग पिक्चर्स लेके आए थे अपनी सिटी के और वो सबको दिखाते हैं कि हमारी सिटी ऐसी है. In one picture, seeing very high buildings, Bhupen said, "Oh, such a tall houses. How do you climb up?" Now, children, Rajkot is situated in Gujarat. Okay. Now they show the picture of Rajkot to everyone. Now they show the picture of Rajkot to everyone. Okay. So by seeing this picture, who said Bhupen? Bhupen said, "Such a tall houses. How do you climb up?" So what Mithali and Anuj will say? They say that we climb by lifts, right? In multi-storied buildings. Yes or no, children? Do you have seen multi-storied buildings? Yes, you might have seen in big cities, right? Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. Okay, so they have multi-storied buildings because population is very high there. Okay, so they use multi-storied buildings, and how they climb up and down? By the lifts. Okay, they use the lifts to go up and to come down. Okay. So here you can see such a tall houses. These tall houses are called multi-storied buildings. Okay. So understood? New Delhi is the capital of India. People from villages and town come to big cities like Delhi in search of work. Children, you know that in villages there is not much work, so population from village shift to the big cities like Rajkot, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi in search of work, and then they find work, they will settle in that city only. Okay, so there are large number of people living here and the space is less. So children, space is very less and people coming from other places, they settle there, so space becomes very less. Okay, so there are large number of people and space will be less. Many people do not have houses at all because they come from other cities, they do not have houses also. Okay, सो दे हैव टू लिव इन स्लम्स. स्लम्स मतलब थोड़ी सी जगह में बहुत सारे लोगों को रहना पड़ता है. ठीक है. एंड मेनी पीपल डू नॉट हैव दैट आइदर. और कई पीपल तो ऐसे होते हैं, कई लोग तो ऐसे होते हैं जिनको स्लम्स में भी रहने को नहीं मिलता है. दे हैव टू स्लीप वेर एवर दे फाइंड प्लेस, ऑन द रोड, ऑन द फुटपाथ, एट द स्टेशन. Wherever they find space, they will sleep there. Okay, when you go to the cities or when you in the bus, you go somewhere, you see that in the cities people are sleeping on the roads, either on the footpath or on the station, bus station, railway station. Okay, so that you might have seen. So likewise, people do not find place to live, so they have to live on the road, footpath, station, etc. Okay children, it is the turn of Kashiram to told everyone, I have come from Rajasthan. Rainfall is very scarce in our area. You know that Rajasthan is very dry place. Okay children, so here rainfall is very less. Okay, or maybe sometimes there is no rainfall also in the Rajasthan. You know that? Yes. Now because there is no rainfall, there is very hot. Okay, see here Kashiram is telling it is very hot too. We live in mud houses. They live in mud houses. Why they live in mud houses? Because there is very hot there, so mud houses make them feel some normal temperature. Okay, so here the walls of these houses are very thick. Walls are plastered with mud. Okay, that's why they are very thick. The roofs are made up of thorny bushes. Children, you can see here bushes up of the house. You can see on the top of the house there is thorny bushes. Yes, so these houses are made like this in the Rajasthan. Okay children, you clear up till here? Okay children, on the page number 110, in the same way all the groups spoke about their houses. You know that children sat in the group likewise. Okay, and they make a circle and tell about their state and their houses. So all the children have spoke about their houses. After the introduction, a cultural program was held. When they completed their introduction, there was a cultural program. Children performed various dances. They sang folk song in their own languages. Folk song क्या होता है children? वो लोग खुद की लैंग्वेज में जो गाना सुनाते हैं वो होता है फोक सॉन्ग. जैसे राजस्थान हो, राजस्थान से जो आया हो वो राजस्थानी गाएगा. समझ में आया? So likewise, okay, so there was a cultural program and they perform their dances and folk song. Okay, everybody had kahwa. Kahwa is a drink of Kashmir. Kashmir में जो है kahwa का एक drink होता है, famous drink, like you drink cold drinks, milk shakes, right? So likewise kahwa is a drink. वो एक शरबत है with almonds and cardamom. We really enjoyed ourselves. बच्चों को जो है बहुत मज़ा आता है. In the evening we all went to Dal Lake. In the evening they went to the Dal Lake. You can see here Dal Lake in the picture. Yes, we saw a houseboat. We sat in shikara and some children moved on the oars. We saw the Char-Chinar surrounded by the blue mountains. You can see here in the first picture you can see there is Char-Chinar, okay, surrounded by blue mountains. ये जो पूरा दाल लेके वो surrounded किससे surround किया हुआ है, पूरे blue mountains से, okay. And in the second picture you can see houseboat. Yes, this houseboat people live there. People who come to the other places, they live in this houseboat. Like we stay in hotels, likewise they stay in this houseboat, okay. So clear up till here, children? So here we are completing our chapter number 16, that is my house, okay. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye, thank you.